Trees drop their leaves. The leaves rot in the ground, and in the springtime the roots obtain nourishment from the very leaves. Look at the difference between what mankind has to do in order to obtain his nourishment. Certainly the system that the tree uses is superior. Mankind acts with malice, and people bring about violent destruction in the world. And they actually rank as the most stupid creature to inhabit the earth. Bnei Adam oseim harisa lo to avira shebo hem talui leyakum. This is where language comes in. Bo ha'ikar shel safa. Ha'toelet shel safa ze letet anosh lirot ha'olam she ze ikar lehisradut shalanu. Bli ha'olam anachnu lo yakolim lechiot. V'noten lanu ha'chinuk, noten lanu haderech lahavin ma alenu lasot. The purpose of language is to enable humankind to see the world as essential to our survival, such that we will exert our energy to maintain the world. We are the servants of the world. And if we abuse our inferiority, we can cause destruction first to ourselves and then to the entire world. So let's begin with the first point I mentioned about language. L'nekuda harishona. Mishtamshim im simbalim, simanim, שזה יהיה אותיות, ומהאותיות צלילים. We use symbols to represent sounds, and then we combine these sounds into words and attribute meaning to them. המשמעות של הצלילים. These sounds הם בנויים בצורה דו-צדדי. You have sounds that are called consonants and sounds that are called vowels. בעברית זה נקרא יצורים, ולא אותיות ניקוד אלא תנועות. התנועות בין היצורים מעבירים הצליל, שיחד הצליל לזרם אחד, במקום להגיד משה. I say Moshe. The fact that I can use me, v'sheh, and form the word Moshe is only possible because of the tunot. We use the letters A, E, I, O, U as vowels, and the other 21 letters are consonants. The B sound starts in our lungs, travels through our mouth, and stops at our lips. B. The E sound is formed by the lips and continues outwards as long as the breath lasts. E. These two sounds, B and E, are combined to form the word be. To be or not to be? That question I hopefully will be able to answer. Habe v'ha'i mitztarfim lasot tzlil shemashmut bi lihiyot. The study of the English language requires the student to learn the alphabet. Kedei lamod litzaref Hatzlilim tzrichim ledat ha'otiyot. So we teach using rhythm. Rhythm is part of the flow of movement in the heart. Haritma shayach lelev. ולכן כשמלמדים עם חרוזים של שיר, הדבר מתקבל יותר ומוגזך בזיכרון יותר. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. It is necessary to repeat information. מאוד חשוב לחזור ולתרגל הידע, ולכן על ידי החרוזים אפשר יותר ויותר להגיד הדברים בנימות. By using rhythm and song, it becomes a more enjoyable process to go over and to repeat, and thus strengthen the knowledge that we acquire. A, E, I, O, U. 55 years I've been singing the song. A, E, I, O, U. 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 By saying these sounds while writing them, we cause our minds to work at almost full capacity. A, I see the A, my mind is working in the brain, in the part of the brain, Shoriyah, Ezeriyah, Ketiva, E. I have to give an order to my mind, for my hand to move. Tifkud hamimush. So now I'm using the sight and the touch and the sound by saying it together. I, O, reading, seeing, listening, speaking. And this is very important for acquiring knowledge. To write and to say what we are learning makes the strengthening of the memory such that it's almost difficult to forget what we've learned. Haktiva v'hashma'a v'riyah כשעובדים ביחד מחזקים מעבר של הידע שכאילו לעולם לא ישכח. Each time we say a sound, it is like placing a memory cell in our account. Ta zikaron b'cheshbon. Ksheyesh harbe ta'im, ze oseh shvil. Shvil lehavara miriya lezikaron, umizikaron shlifa mehira ledibur. By creating neural passageways, we make it possible to strengthen the use of our brain, to recall from memory and to speak, to hear and to understand quickly, and not just quickly, but also correctly. It's important to practice. Practice makes perfect. So please, practice your English until our next lesson.